Hi guys, in today's video we are going to paint this beautiful painting in simple 3 steps. So let's get started. Now let's see the requirements of this painting. So today we are going to use this sponge. If you don't have sponge, you can use makeup brush or any flat brush you have. Now I am going to put some colors in the canvas. So you can see I put the colors in a circle form. We need to give the light colors on the center and the dark colors for the outside. So here you can see I am putting the colors dark on the outside. Here I am adding some white colors between some colors, so it will make a beautiful gradation of colors while we are mixing the colors. I cut my sponge in a little piece and I am going to mix them like this. So all you need to do is like to tap the canvas with your sponge. It is a very fun part of this painting. I really enjoyed this part. So all you need to do is just tap the colors and try to mix them, and it is really interesting and fun at the same time. So you have to change the sponge once you enter into the dark shades of colors. So here I use the same sponge till now, and you can see the colors are blending so smoothly, and I really love this technique. And you can use this technique to paint this something like galaxy and any abstract background, and it is quite useful. But you need to change the sponge when the sponge is fully the dark colors, so you can't apply the sponge on the light colors, so you have to change the sponge. So here you can see I am just mixing the colors like this. So I am going to redo the colors again so that we can have a very smooth and beautiful background. Now I have taken a new sponge without any paint. So you can see I am coming from the light colors to dark colors. So in this method you won't do any wrongs while mixing these colors, so that you can have a very beautiful background. And for this painting I need to have the background something like a purple, pink, a beautiful background I want to have for this painting. You can also add any other colors you want to add here. You can add any color, and if you want to make it is more beautiful, and you can add more and more colors to have a beautiful background. And you have to change the sponge often. For a smooth blending, don't add any water on your sponge. And here you can see I am adding some colors again. So it is really your wish to have more and more colors. And here I want to have some pink background. You can use your makeup brush or any flat brush to have a background like this, but this time I want something new to try, so I tried this method and I really love this method. After 20 minutes of working on it, so this is the final look. I want a background like this. Now let's paint some stars. So here we are going to splash some white colors on the canvas. So usually we use a toothbrush to splash colors, but now I'm using my fan brush, and I added more water to the paint so that the paint will become more liquid, so we can splash it like this. So here you can use your flat brush also. I hope it will also give the same result. But I am using this fan brush for the first time for painting the stars like this, and I really love the fan brush using like this. So my aim to create a background like galaxy with pink and purple colors and lots of stars. So after this, let's move to the second step. So in the second step we need to trace this image. So I have given the image link in the description. You can download this image and you can trace it. So I am going to trace this image on the canvas. So I traced it, and now I am going to mix the color for the skin. So here I mix the color yellow ochre and yellow pink to have this beautiful and nice skin tone. So we are going to work more on this later. We are going to add dark tones and light tones eventually. So now we are going to add only the color to block all the areas for the skin. Here I am using my round brush to paint the minute and very tiny parts. So you can also use any detail brush to paint this so that you won't mess up with anything. I want to tell you guys that this painting is something so special because one of my followers in Instagram asked me to paint this as he was facing a sort of art blocks recently. So I asked my followers to give me some idea or suggestion to paint. They give me beautiful ideas, and it's such a wonderful experience for me to paint for their ideas and suggestions. So it motivates me to paint again and also break the art block. Now let's come to the painting. So here you can see I am painting the leg. So this part is very crucial as it is very tiny and I don't want to mess up with it. And then you can see here the shoe we are going to paint. I don't know the name, whether it is shoe or something else. And then you can see I am painting them in white color. And this part you have to remember that I first painted the shoe, later I filled the color for the skin later. Now you can see I am using the skin tone color and I blocked the area for the food. Always be patient while working on minute details because these minute details make your painting more beautiful. So give all your patience and attention while painting mini details in your painting. Once we finish the base color for the skin, we are going to add the dark shades for the skin. So here I mix a little bit of red to it to have a light dark shade. So I am going to apply the dark shades where I found some shadows in this skin. Now let's paint some highlights. So here I mix the color white to the color we used for the skin tone earlier and I apply the color where I need the highlights. For the hair I mix the color yellow ochre with brown to have a very light shade of brown. So this is the base color for the hair. Later we are going to give some dark values. So here I am using the black color for the dark value for the hair. So we are painting some lines for the hair. So here the lines should be in the flow and the direction of the hair. Now it's time to paint the dress. So here we are going to use only the color white for the dress. So you can see I already traced the image, so we don't need to paint the exact image again. So I'm just filling the color inside the tracing image. Here I use my filbert dress to paint the dress like this. Now let's paint some flowers. So here I use the same detailed brush and I put some dots here and I use the color white and I'm going to use some purple and red later. After almost 5 hours of painting, this is the final look of this painting. I really love this painting, and let me know in the comment section how much you like this painting. And I will meet you guys with another beautiful painting with a step by step explanation in my next tutorial. Until then, have fun with colors.